Hello everyone, I'm Ray and I'm come from China, and we are actually Lepu Medical. And today I'm gonna to introduce you our smartwatch and band. This is like a smartwatch and band which contains a medical feature. We have additional ECG function and also BP function. So it is used for all the people, but not only for the patient. And I can show you here, this is a smartwatch and we have the ECG function. You can check the ECG at anywhere, anytime. You just put your red finger here and you collect the data. And then keep for 35 seconds to measure the ECG data. And then the data will then upload to our apps. We have our own apps here, which can check the ECG. Here you see this is our apps. And you can get a relative high accurate result when you upload the data to our cloud. And it is intended to design for not only the patient but for all the people. And also this is our slogan, we will check your heart on your wrist. And that means you can, when you wear our watch, you can check your health, your heart rate and also your ECG at anywhere and anytime. And additional, we have also like BP function and the traditional smartwatch function like sleep monitoring and also fatigue. And heart rate will automatically record 24 hours. And you got also pedometer. It can record your footstep every day. And yeah, that's it. Actually, we have another band, which is they have the same feature, but watch has additional BP function. But for the band, it's only ECG and smartwatch feature. Yeah, and it's also used with works with our own apps. And this kind of watch and band can be used into different scenarios, like for traveler, for the people who have heavy workload. They are not able to do the examination every day, but when you have this watch, you can check your heart every day at any time. So yeah, thank you.
My name is Raghu and I'm from Quantum Software Private Limited. So there are a couple of things. The primary focus of our company is ThinkSpring, an open source automation framework, IoT framework, and it is probably the first open source framework that has built-in plug-and-play support. So that is our primary focus. And in this trade fair, we are actually launching this kit which is called Course in a Box. So this is an IoT learning kit. So the differentiator with this kit compared to what you get in the market is that first thing is that all the learning is project-based. So every learner, he starts by picking up any particular project, and whatever he wants, then he just has a complete project that he works on, and he learns as a process, as a part of this process. So the advantage here is because the learner is actually doing something concrete, is learning and is doing something concrete, the learning experience becomes much better. The second thing is whatever is required for building a project is packed into one box. So you don't have to go around searching for component A, component B, tutorials for component A, component B, and then come back and try out all those things. So all of them are packed. And the most important part is is the companion app that comes with this. So if you see the companion app here, so everything is loaded into that app. So as soon as you buy a kit, you can load a QR code specific to that kit, and it starts with a complete instruction set. So everything that you need right from beginning, what is an introduction, what components are used here, how do you make the wiring, how do you write software for that, what is the significance of that component being used, what is the significance of the software module being used, is all explained in the companion app. So as a result, it's a self-guided course where a learner begins with the zero knowledge of IoT, and then by the time he completes this course, he comes to a stage where he can get started with IoT projects on his own. So, yeah.
Hi, myself Anish and I am representing DroneCard Solutions. We have two products. One is smart water meter and another one is smart irrigation system. In the smart water meter, we are integrating an AMR unit with the smart water meter, and the AMR unit will read the meter reading from the water meter and it will send the data to the server. And from the server, the utility provider, that means water department, can take the data and use the data for the billing purpose. Also they can use it for the analytical purpose. They can study the consumption of a consumer on a consumption of a consumer. Also they can detect leakage, they can detect tampering. Also we will be providing with the interface for the consumer. The consumer will able to view their consumption on a daily basis. Also they can view the bill and they can pay the bill online. Okay, we have another product which is a smart irrigation system, which will help to automate the drip irrigation. We have a moisture sensor. The moisture sensor will sense the moisture level of the soil, and it will once the moisture level of the soil goes beyond a level, it will automatically irrigate the drip. And also we have a mobile application. Through the mobile application, we can schedule the timing of the drip. This will accommodate till 2000 square feet farm, and in the kit we will be providing with 50,000 rupees for which can accommodate till 50 plants.